A boy suddenly starts shaking in the hallway. What happened? Was it a seizure or a panic attack?
Great question, Abraham. When someone shakes, freezes, or falls still, it can be terrifying to watch, but the body is actually giving a loud clue. A seizure is like an electrical storm in the brain firing all at once. A panic attack is an emotional alarm that feels real even when you are safe. Today we will sort the clues so we know which one we are looking at.
So, what does that actually mean?
A seizure happens when brain cells fire too fast and too strong, making the body lose control for a moment. A panic attack happens when the nervous system fires a false alarm and thinks danger is coming when nothing is actually dangerous. Both can look dramatic, but they start from completely different systems. One is electrical and one is emotional.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, in a seizure, neurons misfire all at once, like lightning across a sky. In a panic attack, adrenaline floods the body, speeding up breathing and heart rate. The amygdala, your fear detector, fires too quickly even when nothing is wrong. Both feel intense because both involve the body's strongest systems.
How does this show up in real life?
Here are the detective clues. Seizures often include stiff muscles, jerking movements, or staring without responding, and the person usually cannot control or stop it. Panic attacks include fast breathing, shaking hands, chest tightness, fear, or the feeling of "I'm dying." Seizures stop the brain from responding, while panic attacks keep awareness but create intense fear.
So, small equals big?
Absolutely. Missing sleep or flashing lights can build up until a seizure is triggered, like a spark creating a lightning strike. Stress, worry, and fear can stack up one small piece at a time until the body hits the panic button. Tiny moments matter because they can create the conditions for a big reaction later.
So, how do I start?
Here is a safe, simple 3-step plan. If someone might be having a seizure, keep them safe, move objects away, and never hold them down. If someone is having a panic attack, help them breathe slowly and remind them they are safe. In both cases, stay calm and get an adult immediately, because calm energy helps the nervous system settle.
What should we do today?
Today's detective challenge is simple. Notice one moment when your body feels stressed or overwhelmed, and take 5 slow breaths to reset your nervous system. This tiny habit trains your brain to calm down before panic grows. Tell us your clue in the comments. Understanding the difference between fear alarms and brainstorms makes you a stronger health detective. Keep paying attention to your signals, because your body teaches you more than you think.
See you in the next episode.